If you've only ever used rice paper for spring rolls, you are genuinely missing out, and here are 5 easy recipes to prove it. First, buffalo chicken rice paper rolls. Toss shredded chicken with buffalo sauce and Greek yogurt. Dip 2 sheets of rice paper into warm water for about 5 seconds, then lay them side by side with a slight overlap to create one wide base. Add a bed of lettuce, your buffalo chicken mixture, cucumber, carrot, blue cheese dressing, and green onion. Fold in the sides, roll tight, and slice like sushi. And at 24 grams of protein per serving, it's genuinely one of the easiest high protein lunches. Next, rice paper flour chips. Cut rice paper into circles and make small cuts around the edges pointing inward. Tuck colored rice into the center, sandwich it with a smaller circle, and top with more rice. Turmeric for yellow, beet powder for pink. Then carefully lower it into hot oil and watch your rice paper flowers bloom. They're light, crispy, and honestly one of the most satisfying things I've ever made. Now for the rice paper noodles. Stack 3 sheets of rice paper, soak in warm water for 10 seconds, then brush with sesame oil. Using scissors, quickly cut into thick strips, toss with chili oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and honey. Top with green onions, chives, and sesame seeds. They're perfectly chewy, spicy, and done in minutes for under 220 calories. This one might be my favorite, rice paper spanakopita. Mix wilted spinach with Greek yogurt, blended cottage cheese, green onion, dill, minced garlic, eggs, and feta cheese. Dip 3 rice paper sheets in egg and layer them overlapping into a long strip. Spoon the filling along the bottom edge, roll into a tight log, coil into a spiral, and air fry at 400 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. These are golden, crispy, and make for the easiest 29 grams of protein each. And to finish sweet, chocolate banana rice paper pies. Whisk melted coconut oil, egg, milk, and coconut sugar together. Dip 1 sheet into the mixture, layer a second sheet on top, then add a halved banana, cinnamon, chopped dark chocolate, and a pinch of coconut sugar. Fold into a tight pocket and air fry at 360 degrees for 10 minutes. The outside crisps up, the chocolate melts inside, and it's a delicious dessert for 190 calories. 5 different recipes, 1 main ingredient. Let us know which one you're trying first, and don't forget to follow Noom for more easy recipes.